Today I'll be reviewing these earrings that I got from the brand Barzel, and take a look. I actually have the earrings on. They are hoop earrings, and then on the bottom, as you could see, they have the little like flutter style. I'm going to go ahead and take it off just to give you a close-up of what that looks like. But overall, before I take it off, take a look at the earrings. They're a nice dangle, and also they are very lightweight, so they're not weighing down my ears, which I do like that, because a lot of the times a lot of like hoop earrings or anything like that do tend to weigh down my ears, but these are actually very light on my ears, and I really like the way that they look. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up, and this is what it looks like. That earring, very nice thin earring. It is not too thick. I love the little dangles at the bottom, and take a look at the little hook. It looks kind of like a little shell. And then just to give you a side view of what the hook looks like, all you have to do is simply unhook it like this, and then place that in your ear and just clip it. So it's super simple, just like that, and it is in your ear. But overall, if you're looking for some nice dangly earrings, then I would definitely recommend these. These are super nice, super lightweight, and they look great. So overall, I would definitely recommend.